Hello everyone. So this is an online portal we have created for blind people where they can write exams without any hurdles. So what this particular portal is going to do basically is we have set of questions in an exam. So those questions are going to be prompted as voices. Then you can give your own input as voice. If you'd like to repeat a question, you can ask to repeat that particular question. If you'd like to end exam, you can end exam in between. If you'd like to skip a question, you can say skip a question, then you can go for the next question. So let us observe that.
What is your name?
My name is Hari.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is red.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is idli.
What is your favorite hobby?
Repeat the question.
What is your favorite hobby?
Skip. Skip.
What is your favorite book?
Repeat the question.
What is your favorite book?
End exam. So this way, you can basically give any number of questions and you can store all these things as an Excel sheet if you want to store, or you can store it in the cloud, or you can connect it to multiple servers and store in different locations as well. So this is a basic setup what we used. This particular front end is running on Streamlit and the back end is written on Python. Thank you very much.